to switch the plan.
Yeah.
There's a couple of old timers. 6005 Kissena Boulevard. Saw these. It's been a long time since I passed by here. But these have looked like this for maybe 7 or 8 years. I remember when they were intact, but they no longer are. Well, I guess they are intact, but they're not what you'd call in one piece. Here's another one on Kissena Boulevard. 6941, outside of the Pomonok Houses. I don't remember ever seeing the phone in this one, but I don't come by here that often. Just a lonely payphone pedestal looking for some purpose in life. That's funny, from across the street. Wishful thinking, right? From across the street, I thought that said telephone booth. No such luck. Although, now that I get closer, the dimensions of those openings look about right. But wouldn't you know it? Near the non-telephone booth. It's an actual specimen of the CityBridge variety. Who wants to bet me a quarter that this thing doesn't work? I called it NDT. am I anyway? This is 73rd Avenue and Kissena Boulevard. At a point in the day where I'm getting ready to go back home. Well, I hopped off the bus when I saw this one. I swear I came looking for this one another time and I didn't find it. That's not a bomb, but a device that looked just like this was once reported to 911 and the bomb squad came out to investigate. It's just the power supply for the lighting. But I can kind of imagine somebody thinking that's a bomb. Even though it says battery right on it. Oh, look at this. I guess somebody's using this for storage. Let's get the number. I only saw this from the street. I didn't know all this stuff was going to be stuffed inside. Yeah, I do gotta ask, what's the story here? This thing's a beauty. Let's keep Flushing beautiful, right? One phone booth at a time. You gotta be careful about standing out here in this street, but this is what I saw from the bus. If CityBridge just ups and forgets about these things, this could be like this for years. So I don't know what the green containers are about, or it looks very intentional. Like somebody's using this as their personal storage. This ad panel has been smashed and there's some glass remaining on the sidewalk. But the battery is powered by the solar panels that are up on the roof of the thing, which you can't see from here. Or the battery used to be powered by it doesn't look like it's powered by anything. So I didn't expect this one to still be here. I must have had a blind spot last time I looked for it.
No, but it's like $15 an hour.
missed it.